Traffic snarls in the capital city of Meghalaya have become an eyesore and an inconvenience to all and sundry. It is popular belief that to get on time to a particular destination, one would need to travel by car so as to save both time and energy. However, with the increase in the number of vehicles on the road, traffic congestion has become a common sight. The problem of such traffic jams across the city has impacted a great deal on commuters who become mere spectators to the scene. Media Plus had spoken to the District Transport Officer East Khasiels, S. Lamin, who reported that till December 2021, the number of private and commercial vehicle registration has increased to 12,602 in numbers.
January Sunspa Khandai Adin Nata February Rio Spa Khandai Openai March Khandai Spa Khatpra April Sunspa Khatway May Southly June New Puar July South Spa Khatsan August Sunspa Khatar September New Spa Life Rio October Praspa Nyepuar November Rio Spa Nyepusan December Hadu Mentakasi Deci Spa Sanpo Total jangkit 2 welas Kalong Rio Hajar Rio Khandai Tekini ki motor karpat ki beregister nadu Januari hadu Desember Kidei Spa Sanajar Spa Lifestyle kini kila ki motor car kemut la include yakin ki kum ki Scorpio kum ki Bolero kum ki Niki car ki Alto bat kum tater bat ki commercial vehicle pan hangne ki dei ki ba register kelong yakin ki tourist mo kum ki motor car lini ki maxi car Kini ho January Sanpo ho February Life Sun ho Benai March New Po ho April Arbusan ho May Zero ho June Zero ho July Sun ho August Arbupra ho September Sapusau ho October Life War ho November Life War December Adum Takasi the Life Away.
As for permits issued to commercial vehicles, particularly local taxis and buses, the District Transport Officer stated that since 2009, new permits have not been issued to such vehicles, but only replacements are made of the same.
Nadu usnam arajar khandai ki klam I permit su. Namar ba kadon kan ka buat meeting ni kabuo kani ke chairman ke DC BTO de secretary te nakada jong ka traffic jam ki klem aisyo te kini ki local taxi pa PE kini ki bathamai ki tu ki de tang ki replacement namar nakla rim ya permit jong ki la transport se ki tu kali thamai reban ong ya ka permit thamai ki klem issue hadu menta te sepang kini ki bus ro ki klem I permit ki city bus ki la khang no namar ba kimdon jaka ban yeng bat kham tame ba kimdon stan kum sha yo ne police bajar mdei kum khapor mchwa kidon kini ki bus stand ki balik sha apar silong ki balik sha lam khra andre hadu menta te kimdon jaka ban stan takadaw ka sarkar kalaban yene ba I permit yene noro.
While speaking about public careers like pickup and auto trucks, S. Lamin informed that there is no particular stand for such vehicles in the city and therefore they do not contribute to traffic congestion within city limits as they are parked in private spaces and are on the road only when the need arises.
Sapang kini ki pick up kini ki penguit ya kasor re ki suyalendi ki sulai bukmar re kemdei baki ong ba ki suan hangne ki don kastan ki don gini re ki long ki briu badan kam yaki ki phun adi ki ong lewan kit kini kamar mukhaw ne kum ki jur re banong bu stan yaki kim don re kata kadaw kini ki ba kiba sulek kamay rotation ba kilong kiba lek kamay keleng kilaban penhirmar kum sa juwe lene kum sa sora ne kum keleng ide kiba kit marbam mardi lene kum khaw bakit inarot kiba kut kino kijing nan kam chu kibriu ne ki nong khayi takadam mla ban stop yaki kijing ai permit iki tapi kumenta komuniki autoreksoro kibriu la daki kit yaki ni tier yim ne kom ki tiles ne kom ki kino ki jing don kam jong ban snai yang ki kit simen kini ki penang kam bet ki auto dagin ki auto reksong bat kini ki sat pak ru ha po kompong hi jong kini ki dukan ni mde cha surok sene style